Welcome to online course Engineering Graphics. Today our session 6.3.2.2 projection of solid regular cone. Myself H.A. Patel from Ganpat University. Now problem statements. A cone diameter of base 50 mm and height 70 mm is resting on HP on one of its generator with axis parallel to VP. Draw the projection of cone when the axis of cone is parallel to VP and inclined to other plane. The key point of the problem: assume the first angle projection system. The first stage of problem: assume axis of the cone perpendicular to HP and hence the base will be seen in the true shape in a top view, either the plan, so that the true shape of the base in HP plane. Project the circle and take the height of the axis 70 mm to get the triangle as the front view, either the elevation of the cone. The second stage of the problem: rearrange our first stage elevation with new position considering on its generator in HP with axis parallel to VP. Project the top view plan of new, rearrange our first stage elevation. Hello friends. A cone diameter of base 50 mm and height 70 mm as it is resting on HP on its generator. So first off, we assume the entire problem in first angle projection system. So first I draw the XY line. Below XY line, there is the HP plane. I choose the 25 mm radius. Diameter of the base, it is given 50 mm. We take the 25 mm radius and draw the circle. Now we divide this circle with number of 8 parts. These are the generators, plan of generators. 45 degree, So we connect it with the center of circle. The cone resting on HP on its base. It means the top view, it is a true shape of the base, and we can show the base point as a ABCD. F, G, H, and center it is a apex O1. Now the base on HP, it means the elevation of the base on XY line. So first we transfer all the projection, base point, periphery point on XY line. With a light line, and the base on HP means we create our elevation of the base on XY with a point A dash, B dash, H dash, C dash, G dash, D dash, F dash, E dash. The height of the cone, it is given 70 mm. So what I do, we first mark the axis 70 mm height. This is 70 mm. And always axis show as a full dotted full line, but the C dash G dash, it is appear on same axis, so the axis it is looking as a dark line. Remaining generators we can create. So I draw them, join the A dash O1 dash generator, then O1 dash E dash generators, O1 dash D dash F dash generators, elevation of O1 dash P dash H dash generators. Now the generator O1 dash E dash, this O1 dash E dash on HP. So what we do, we take the dimension of O1 dash E dash, it is resting on HP. So you can mark on both sides, exactly you can show your points. So my E dash O1 dash, true length of generator, it is resting on HP. So I can draw the dark line. Now we rearrange our elevation with reference to E dash O1 dash. So first off, we find out the A dash position. I measure the E dash A dash, and this generator E dash O1 dash, on HP. So where is your point A dash? Point A dash appear here. So for that, E dash is center. We can draw the first arc. Then we know the O dash, A dash. This is radius. Center O1 dash. You can draw that. This intersection points, it is giving your A dash. So join your A dash, E dash. It is your base, and connect your A dash O1 dash. Similarly, you can mark your axis C dash Z dash point on the base line, A dash C dash radius, A dash center. You can mark. Similarly, A dash H dash is a radius, center A dash. You can draw the arc. Similarly, from E dash to same radius, you can mark your D dash F dash. So this is it is our B dash H dash. This is our C dash Z dash. This is your D dash F dash. You can join with apex and show your position of all generators. All are the full line, dark line. Now, as per problem statements, our true length of generator on HP. Now, what is the plan? Top view. So for top view, first off we project all the vertical projection from the elevation. So there is a projection from E, this projection from B, this projection from C dash Z dash, this projection from B dash H dash, and this projection from A dash. Now similarly you can take the horizontal projection from previous plan. So this is your C, it is your B and D, this is A and E, it is your H and F, this is your G. Now first off I mark the points. Where is the A? A, it is here. These are our A points. Where is the B? B, it is here. It is our C point. This is my D. It is our E point. It is our F. This is our G. And this is your F. H. Now from top view, the observer, it is see the base from top view, the base it is fully visible. So we can join all the points with smooth curves. A, B, C, D, D, E, E, F, G, G, H and A. The circumference of the cone from the top view orientations are fully visible. Now we can project our apex. So I take the horizontal projection from previous plan and vertical projection from elevation. The intersection point, it is our plan point of apex O1. Now from top view orientation, the AO1 generators are visible. So I can draw the dark line. Then HO1 and GO1. Similarly, BO1 and CO1s are visible. But this circumference from C, D, E and F are not visible from generators are not visible from top view. So it can show as a dotted line. So we can show intermediate parts as a dotted. This is connected with a dotted line. FO1 it is also connected with a dotted line.